What is up, my friends? So as we enter this new era of Second Amendment freedom in New Jersey, we are still riding the high of all the court cases we've won from Bruin in 2022, which gave us the ability to conceal carry, to the new Third Circuit ruling that took away the assault weapons ban, took away the magazine ban. So we are just winning and winning and winning. But most importantly, I have some words of wisdom from a former New Jersey Attorney General, and you're not going to believe what he said. Hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know, did you get your concealed carry permit yet? If you have not, what are you waiting for? Let's go already. So if you want to do your qualification with me, hit me up on my website, patriotdefensecompany.com, or shoot me an email at patriotdefensecompany@gmail.com, and we can do the class together, guys. Let me know if you have not gotten your concealed carry permit yet. If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Just do it. Like Shia LaBeouf says, just do it. So I want to make you all realize that usually when a government takes power, you never get it back. This is like an unheard of thing where rights are restricted and restricted and restricted, and eventually they're gone. That's usually how it works. Look at over in England, in the UK, they have gone so far that now they go to jail for posting memes and Facebook posts. Don't take it for granted when you are going to the store and picking up that 30-round magazine, or you're picking up that new rifle that has an adjustable stock and it can have more than 2 features on it. Don't take it for granted, guys. It's amazing how far we've come. So our Attorney General now and our Governor now are fighting to keep guns out of the hands of citizens, when we had an Attorney General at one time that was trying to fight to keep guns in the hands of citizens. So if you didn't know, William Paterson was the first Attorney General in New Jersey. And I just found this quote from him today, and I was amazed at how far we've come as not just the state of New Jersey, but as a country, when these were our politicians before, these were our attorney generals before, people that wanted the citizens armed because they knew about how important it was to have an armed citizenry to defend the country, defend your communities, and not try and take the guns out of the hands of citizens and say it's for our safety, when really it makes us less safe because we don't have guns to defend ourselves, and the criminals will always have the guns because they don't follow the laws. So guys, this is a quote from Attorney General William Paterson, yes, of New Jersey. This is what the Attorney General used to be like in New Jersey when our country was first founded. This is what he says. A well-regulated militia is considered as essential to the preservation of civil liberty. What indeed is a militia but the people themselves, prepared to act as soldiers for the purpose of resisting oppression and securing their rights. To be prepared for war is the way to prevent it. To be ready in arms to meet and resist tyranny never fails to deter its approach. And this is my favorite part. Tyrants dread free men, when free men not only have arms in their hands, but know how to use them. How awesome is that? Let's read that again. Tyrants dread free men, when free men not only have arms in their hands, but know how to use them. That is awesome. When you have arms in your hands, it doesn't mean too much unless you know how to use them. One of the reasons I started Patriot Defense Company was after the Bruin decision, I realized how few people carried firearms, and if they had a firearm, didn't even know how to use it, but they had it in their closet somewhere collecting dust and they never even touched it. I realized that the only way to make our societies, our communities, and our country safer is to have the citizens armed and be trained to use those arms. And don't take that for granted. When you have a firearm, you must get training. I'll say it again. You must get training. I'm not just making this a plug for me. There are so many different trainers and classes out there and different levels of classes. You might have been shooting for years, and there might be some classes out there that'll make you even better, and you need to know how to use your firearm. The whole point is that tyrants dread free men when free men not only have arms in their hands, but know how to use them. I have a vision with this company that one day I will have a training facility of some sort. I just have this vision of mine. And why not dream big, right? Who knows if it'll ever happen, but this is my dream. And this place, this Patriot Defense Company, would be a place that was geared toward citizens, not law enforcement, not military. It would be geared toward citizens to come and train and learn how to defend themselves and their families and their communities and their country. That is my vision, to have citizens that are armed and capable of defending themselves, their families, their communities, and their country. Because one day, who knows, if there ever is something that happens, if there ever is the stuff hits the fan situation, how are the communities going to join together? How are people going to be able to protect their communities if they have not the skills to do so? The only way to do that is to regularly train, regularly prepare, and regularly condition yourself for the possibility of having to be a defender at some point in your life. So guys, I know we're on this huge Second Amendment roller coaster in New Jersey where it's just like up and down for a long time, and now we're going up, but you never know, it could start to go back down at some point. Remember, the Second Amendment is really in your hands. I had someone comment one time, hey, be careful listening to this guy, because I said that you have your Second Amendment and no government can actually take it from you. You can go into other states and buy all the guns and ammunition and magazines you want. But when you bring them back to your state and they have tyrannical laws, you might face consequences for what you have done because they're unconstitutional laws. So I said, if you did that, I wouldn't blame you, because if we listened to all the tyrannical laws, we would then be oppressed. So that's the whole point of the Second Amendment, is that you don't listen to all the gun laws, because then you don't have a Second Amendment. I understand when I see all these gun stores that are not selling 30-round magazines yet, because they are being cautious, not cowards. I would say cautious, because if for some reason they sold them too early and then got in trouble in some way, then guess what? They would not even be able to sell you standard capacity magazines once they were actually able to, because they might be out of business because they broke the law in some way, right? So I see a lot of people blaming different gun shops and saying, hey, why aren't you guys selling them yet? Come on, what's the matter with you? It's been long enough. But be patient, because they will. And we have to stick together as a Second Amendment community. We have to stick together and realize that we are the free men that the tyrants are afraid of, as long as we keep the arms in our hands and we know how to use them. I thank you for watching another one of my videos. God bless you all. I still can't wait to go out there and grab some standard capacity magazines. I know some other states are just laughing at us now, like, really, guys? We've had these forever. I know you have Texas and Florida. I know, but for us, it's like a Christmas morning. It's like a Christmas in July. All right, I thank you for watching another one of my videos. God bless you all. Don't forget to go to my YouTube shop and check out my new Patriot Defense Company hat and shirts I got out there, and support the channel, guys. I appreciate all of you. God bless you all. God bless America. God bless New Jersey, guys. Stay free, and the tyrants dread us free men. Remember that. Thanks a lot, guys.